It's not really a bee, Rox. It's just pretend. It's pretend. It's pretend. It's not real. Look. It's just a pretend bug. Go ahead, kill it. Okay, goodbye.
Oh, hey, what's up, dude? Where'd you get all this from? Oh, okay.
CJ, come here. CJ, you're gonna get hurt. You frickin' took it off the... No, sit, sit, sit.
Good boy. Nope. You want your sister to get a treat? Oh, I'll give her a treat. I promise. Here, I'll give her some. See? There you go. Now you eat it. Now you eat it. Such a good boy.
Just go. Just go.
You're going over anyway.
Dominic, come here. Sit down. Sit.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
What? Oh my God.
It's really hard to get anything done when this dude wants me to only water him and none of my plants because he loves it. And he loves it on this jet setting. It's like a massage. It's so weird.
How's it going, Thor? How's it going, Thor? Did you have fun?
Beautiful.
You wanna go outside?
Oh my God.
Simon. Be nice. Gentle. Oh, he's just eating his head. Gentle.
His tooth is about to go in his eye.
I know, that's what I'm scared of. Green.
Something a little different today. How about hide the busy?
Hide the busy bone?
Come here, you gotta wait in there.
Ooh, hide the busy. Should rub it on this windowsill here. Ooh. In the castle, cause she's a princess. Tricker, tricker, tricker.
Okay, hide the busy bone.
Ooh, out of the gates. Ooh. 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 she's. Oh, you get it?
Sit.
Thank you. Come on, Roscoe. Good boy.
This is our red-bone coonhound. His name is Walter, and he really likes when you tell him secrets.